Hey everyone, Donnie Zappia here. It's Monday, January 24th, about 0 degrees outside, and a heartbreaking loss of the Buffalo Bills. And I know you don't want to hear about it, but man, what a game. And a heartbreaker, and definitely not fair to our Buffalo Bills or our Buffalo Bills fans. But anyway, let's get back on track. Today is Mortgage Monday. Just an update on the rates. Coming right back at you in about 2 minutes. And welcome to Mortgage Mondays. Hey everyone, it's Donnie Zappia, and just to get back, it's Mortgage Mondays, and what's happening with the mortgage rates, right? What's happening with the housing? What's going on, right? What real estate? Actually, January across the country, national numbers, January is actually the lowest inventory ever on the market. It could be because of all the weather problems across the United States. People just ain't putting their houses on the market. It has a big factor to it, but the buyers remain constant. The buyers are starting to increase, trying to find houses, still having problems with multiple offers and trying to find that perfect home because of the low inventory. But what does that do once you find that perfect home? What are the interest rates going to look like? Just an update here. I am going to show you the file of what mortgage rates are once I learn how to do this. Here we go. There we are. Found them. Okay, the mortgage rates here for Monday are pretty interesting. Definitely a 30-year fixed mortgage is 3.16. Again, last week, if you remember the broadcast last week, they were 3.25. So they actually went down compared to last week, even though they're showing a 0.31 increase from last year and last week. Last week's mortgage rates, again, though, were just KeyBank. This is an average of everything. So shopping for a mortgage rate. Okay, what do? How do we get that lowest rate possible? There's a lot of factors that go into that. One is what you are. Who are you in the finance world? In other words, what is your credit rating? What is your debt to income ratio? What is your income? What is your job security? What is your available credit, which is mean your debt to income ratio? So do you have a lot of unused credit, which means you probably have a better credit score? Do you have a lot of unused credit and no credit as far as paying any of that bills? So again, you might have a lower credit score. That is what the bank will determine. The other thing is you go to a typical bank that we know, the M&Ts and the key banks and around the area. Those people pretty much are bankers. Those are mortgage bankers. Those people give you the mortgage rate that bank is particularly giving you for that day. They do have some different incentives. Whether you open up a checking account with them, pay your mortgage to them, they give you a discount in the mortgage rate, as I mentioned last week. The other part of that is actually mortgage brokers. And there's a lot of different brokers. There's credit unions. Okay. There's mortgage brokers that deal with many banks. Credit unions actually farm their rates out. Also, a credit union really doesn't hold the mortgage. They actually farm it out to a third party, and they're the ones that actually approve you. There's also your typical, Quicken Loans, Rocket Mortgage, Lending Tree, all those there definitely are all mortgage brokers. Some of them do their own financing. I believe Rocket Mortgage actually is their own bank now. So, but they do shop loans. So here, if you ever go on realtor.com, this is the information. They give you banks that you never heard of. But these are credible banks. They definitely will give you and pre-approve you. Just a quick thing, though, I would say definitely if you're applying for a mortgage, I always recommend going through some a local bank, okay, a local credit union, a local mortgage broker, rather than the people that are on the internet. The only reason why that is that personal touch. That guy becomes your friend through the whole transaction of looking for a house and buying a house. Easier to reach, easier to grab. If we need to change the pre-approval amounts to tailor it toward the house that you're buying, it's easy and they're accessible. Okay, so that's my recommendation as a real estate agent. So what should you do first? number one first, when you're looking for a house and you need to get a mortgage and you need to find all these missing pieces, I recommend one thing is get a hold of a real estate agent named Don Zappia. That'd be me. And we'll walk through the whole process, okay? And one of the first things that we'll tell you to do is you need to get to a mortgage broker, a mortgage bank, and get pre-approved. And they'll go through your whole credit, let you know what you could afford. Again, they might come up with a number that you're saying, I'm not comfortable buying that type of house. But at least you know where your limits are as you go forward on looking for your house. So you definitely got to get pre-approved. Okay. First of all, find yourself a great agent named Don Zappia. Secondly, get pre-approved, and then we start the house hunting. Okay. And that right now, with everything that's going on, is pretty challenging. So I look forward to anybody need anything. My information will be down below. You can give me a call at any time. Anytime at 716-622-1323. DonZappia.com is the website, and DonZappia1 at DonZappia.com is my email. Any questions on that, how to get pre-approved, what mortgage brokers should you use, anything like that, please let me know how I could help, and we're definitely here to help you out. And again, it's Mortgage Mondays here with Donnie Zappia with the Zappia Realty team with eXp Real Estate. So I look forward to hearing back from you. Any questions, again, just submit the questions through Facebook or shoot me a text message. Those answers will be answered on the next show. Have a great day, and I look forward to hearing back from you.